A geocoder tool in GIS translates addresses or place names into geographic coordinates, enabling location-based analysis and mapping. Converting Excel data into spatial values is simple and easy through Geocode, which can be essential for urban planning, navigation, and spatial data integration tasks. Mapping locations through addresses using the Geocoder tool offers several benefits. Improved data accuracy. It converts addresses into precise geographic coordinates, ensuring accurate location plotting for analysis and decision-making. Enhanced accessibility. Facilitates easy integration of location data into GIS, making it accessible for various applications like urban planning, logistics, and emergency response. Let us see how to create this map in MAPOG Map Analysis. Open Map Analysis. Click on Process Data, Geocoder. Upload the Excel sheet with the addresses with the proper city, zip code, and state. Assign the columns accordingly. I am assigning the full address column and the country. Customize the icons and click Next. Rename the map. View the data table from Layer Action. Show Data Table. From the Style Data, Label Features. Select the layer. Choose the city attribute. Adjust the formatting accordingly. Save label. A simple and interactive map of points pinned at the exact addresses with the city labeling will be created, which can be later used for required analyses. Click on a point to know more about the details. This is how we can create a map using the addresses on an Excel sheet. Thanks for watching. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.